Okay guys, so that's how you get higher than max height with the new lightning cube. I figured out on Playground, like just messing around with it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hello everyone, my name is Noah, and in today's video I will show you how to get higher than max height with the new lightning cube. Now I'm building the max height, and what you need for to get to higher than max height, then you have to have a bouncer and a launch pad. So I sped it up, but I'm going to slow it down. Like just a second. So okay. So I got a llamas to try to get to heal. And I don't know. I'm gonna cut the clip right now. Okay, so right now I'm coming back from the campfire, and so to prove that it's max height, I'm going to get up all the way up there and show that I can't build. So I'm here, and I cannot build at all. So as you can see, I'm not lying about it being max height right there. So I go back down, and I had it manually down, and then okay, so what I have is, well, as you can see, that's how high you go. And come back down. What you need is a bouncer, like on the stairs like that, and then a launch pad like on a platform right by it, but not like in the middle of it, because then it'll break when you shoot at it. Because like, to prove, I shot at it and then it broke. So don't do it. So you just like walk on the bouncer, like you walk on the bouncer right there, and then the bouncer will bounce you all the way to the launch pad right by it, and then it'll get you even higher. But before you do that, you have to shoot it with any gun, it doesn't matter. And if you shoot it and you don't go on there quick enough, then it will break it. But it won't break if you already used it. So yeah. So right now it's gonna be laggy, but that's okay because it's not that long. And right now I'm just gonna speed it up when I'm getting on a launch pad, because I broke it. So yeah, it shouldn't be it should be back to normal right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm coming back with a launch pad finally, and so I'm just gonna come back up here, and so I broke it. So you have to shoot it and then go on the bounce pad, and then it'll go really high. Alright, right now I forgot that I had really low health, so that's why I died. If you're like under, if it does 30 damage whenever you do it, so make sure like when you're at 30 health, then you don't use it until you heal, because that'll happen. I forgot. So I just grab my stuff real quick, and then I'll show you again. You shoot it, you go on the bounce pad and launch pad, and it'll blast you up. That's max height right there. And I barely made it back to the bounce pad, like, I wasn't thinking, and then it was weird. I don't know, right now I'm messing around. I don't know. Yeah, impulses don't work at all. Like if you throw them at them, they don't work. Lol, XD. Okay guys, so that's basically the end of the video, and it will hope you enjoyed the video of how to get higher than max height with the new lightning cube. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.